Good day, students. Today we shall be talking about classification of farm animals. Classification of farm animals. My name is Mr. Odufeso. I'm your agricultural science teacher. So we shall be talking about classification of farm animals. Now, at the end of this class, you should be able to define what you mean by animal, classify farm animals based on their size, classify farm animals based on their habitats, classify farm animal based on stomach type, classify farm animals based on mammals and non-mammals. Now, firstly, what is animal? Animals are those groups of living things which depend mainly on plants for their food. Farm animal can be classified based on the following features. 1. Based of size, classification of animal based on size, classification of farm animals based on their habitats, classification of farm animals based on type of stomach they have, classification of farm animals based on mammals and non-mammals. Now, let's start from classification of animal based on size. We have large animals. What do you mean by large animals? Animals which are relatively big in size, such as cattle, horse, camel, cattle, and so on. Small animals are animals that are small in size. Examples: crayfish, maize, chicken, cat, etc. Now, let's move to the second one, classification of farm animals according to their habitats. We have some animals that live on land. They are called terrestrial animals. They are animals that live on surface of land. Examples of these animals are cattle, goats, sheep, etc. Then the second one, which is aquatic animals, are animals that live on water. Animals that live on water. Some aquatic animal lives on fresh water, like lake, rivers, pond, etc. Example of animals that live on water are tilapia fish, catfish, and other. Now, classification of farm animals according to types of stomach they have. We have ruminant animals. These are animals that have complex stomach. Ruminant animals have 4 compartments stomach. They are rumen, reticulum, omasum, abomasum. Examples of those animals that are ruminants are cattle, sheep, and goats. Then the second one, which is non-ruminant animals. These are animals that have simple stomach. Examples include pig, rabbits, pigs, etc. Now, classification of farm animals on mammals and non-mammals. What is mammals? They are animals that give birth to their young ones alive and feed their young with milk from the mammalian gland. Examples of mammals: cattle, sheep, goats, rabbits, etc. Non-mammals, these are animals that lay eggs. They do not feed their young ones, with breasts. They are called non-mammals. Examples include fish, reptiles, birds, and so on. So, from what we have discussed, classification of animals, you should be able to define what those classifications, based on the habitats, based on mammals, based on what they feed on, So this is where we can stop today. Lay your hands on this video and learn by yourself. Thank you. God bless you. I say goodbye. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Thank you.